Hello, hello! In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I love to use emojis on my boards and cards. It helps to brighten up my boards and it makes using Trello just a little more fun. In case you don't know me, I'm Mariah and my business is Bloom Hustle Grow, where I help service-based entrepreneurs make the hustle happier by optimizing and organizing their business operations. Okay, ready to use all the emojis? Let's dive into using emojis on your boards and cards to make them a little more fun. This is totally optional, but I really do love to utilize emojis just to make my boards a little more inviting for me to use. If you're on Mac, to get to your emoji keyboard, you go Control Command Spacebar and it'll pop it up. For whatever reason, ever since I bought this Mac, it doesn't populate all my emojis, like they live there, but I can't see them. Anyway, but that's just like a weird glitch that I've never been able to get fixed, but it used to not happen. So you can add emojis almost anywhere on your Trello boards. You can use them in your list. I have one right here. We'll add another one in. Use them within the description of the board, sometimes to document things. So for example, I have like a walking habit goal. So I like to use the little fun emoji here. So then I kind of know, okay, I walked this many days this week. I also keep track of my stats, some of my stats on my card, like in my 90-day planning. And so I use emojis to categorize that and just make it a little more visually appealing. You, of course, can use emojis in comments here. There's actually even an emoji button here. This is the only place that an emoji button comes up. Otherwise, I'm using the shortcut Control Command Spacebar to get that emoji menu. But there are emojis here within the comment section of Trello that you can use. And see it, so if you saw when I wrote it, it actually writes it out as syntax, but it shows up like that. You can also utilize emojis like in your checklists. So that can be a fun way to make your checklist a little more visually appealing. Today's video is short and sweet, but that is just one way that I kind of like to brighten up my boards and utilize emojis in a fun way to make my boards more visually appealing, and it just makes me want to use my Trello boards more.